Here comes the flow of hua tie-dee. Take two sticks and twist them together. Leave about 9 centimeters. First, use the white one to make 2 circles on the index finger. Then use the gray one to make a circle. The long stick and the short stick are crossed tightly. Pick up the first circle. Use the gray one to go through the second and third circles. Leave a finger wide for the ears of tie-dee. The gray stick goes to the left. Also, go through the second and third circles. Put the first circle down and pinch it a little bit. The gray stick goes around from the back. Go through the second and third circles. Do the same action 3 times. This long gray stick is useless. Use scissors to cut it off. Use a hole punch to exchange the position of the second and third circles of the face. Use the white stick to make the 4 legs of hua tie-dee. First, make the front leg. Make 2 circles on the body. Then make the hind legs. Put the 4 legs of hua tie-dee in the opposite direction. The rest of the sticks are all around the body of hua tie-dee. Put the tail of hua tie-dee and the 4 legs together. Lift the head up. Adjust the center of gravity. Use a hole punch or a comb and a brush to pick up all the hair on the body of hua tie-dee. Next is to trim the hair. Trim the position of the eyes, the position of the nose, the position of the mouth, the position of the ears, and the roundness of the head. Trim the hair on the nose and mouth. Trim the hair on the body and 4 legs. Trim the messy hair. Trim the hair on the nose. Use a hole punch to adjust the position of the eyes. Trim the position of the eyes. Trim the position of the mouth. Trim the position of the tongue. Trim the position of the mouth. Put on a cute accessory. A cute hua tie-dee is done.